What if the mysterious object racing through our solar system isn't just a random space rock, a broken bar, but a nuclear-powered spacecraft sent by an intelligent civilization to observe how humanity reacts? Imagine ranking it from 0 to 10, as 0 meaning it's just a regular comet, 10 meaning it's an engineered alien craft. Right now, scientists are somewhere in between, a curious, cautious, and completely captivated. One Harvard astrophysicist has even suggested this object could be a fragment of alien technology. Recently, astronomers noticed something enormous hurtling through space toward our moon. Named 3IATLAS after being spotted by NASA's survey on July 1. This isn't your average asteroid, it's from another star system entirely. Its size, speed, and direction have made it one of the most puzzling interstellar visitors ever observed. Some researchers even wonder if it might be artificial, perhaps designed to test our response to extraterrestrial contact. This mountain-sized traveler is racing at a breathtaking velocity, fast enough to cause an explosion visible from Earth if it collides with the moon. Could humanity soon witness the most spectacular cosmic event in recorded history? And what if that event changes the moon forever? On the day of its discovery, scientists immediately realized that 3IATLAS wasn't born in our solar system. Unlike ordinary asteroids that form and orbit our sun, this one came from deep space, flung out of another star system eons ago and wandering through the galaxy ever since. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb caught the world's attention when he suggested it might be more than just a rock, it could be alien technology. When a respected Harvard professor starts talking about extraterrestrial engineering, the scientific world listens. Its trajectory, initially thought to be a harmless flyby, has been recalculated several times. The most recent data hints at something much more concerning, a possible collision course with our moon. What was once a scientific curiosity now feels like a celestial warning. The alignment of its path, almost perfectly in tune with our solar system's planets, has made some scientists uneasy. Could this path be too precise to be coincidence? Unlike familiar asteroids that follow circular, predictable orbits, 3IATLAS is slicing through space at interstellar speed, evidence that it has spent untold ages drifting between stars. It's estimated to be several hundred meters to over a kilometer wide. Imagine a mountain flying toward the moon at unimaginable speed. With no atmosphere to slow it down, the moon would take the full force of impact, unleashing an explosion that could outshine anything humans have ever seen. But there's something even more extraordinary about this object. It carries material from another world. If it hits, it won't just leave a crater, it'll seed the lunar surface with minerals and elements that don't exist anywhere in our solar system. It would be like the universe delivering a time capsule from a distant star, shattered open upon arrival. The impact would unleash energy on a scale beyond comprehension. Every ounce of momentum, every fragment of alien rock, would release its full power into the moon's surface. Without an atmosphere to cushion the blow, the result would be a devastating explosion, visible from Earth as a brilliant flash. Humanity would be witnessing a raw cosmic force up close, a celestial event that could change how we see the universe. The moon has endured countless impacts over billions of years, each one etching a chapter of its story. But this would be something entirely new, an interstellar visitor leaving a permanent mark. If the collision occurs on the near side, visible from Earth, it could illuminate the night sky with an intense burst of light and dust. Even if it strikes the far side, instruments left from past missions would detect seismic waves rippling through the lunar crust. For the first time, we could observe how an alien object interacts with our closest celestial neighbor. The vibrations could reveal secrets buried deep within its inner layers, its composition, perhaps even clues about its formation. This could become the most important scientific opportunity in modern astronomy. Yet there's a sense of unease too. The moon isn't just decoration, it stabilizes Earth's rotation, shapes our tides, and influences our climate. While 3IATLAS wouldn't destroy or dislodge it, a massive impact could alter its balance ever so slightly. Even small shifts might have measurable effects on Earth. The moment 3IATLAS slams into the moon, scientists predict a crater several kilometers across, ejecting material into space that could form a temporary ring or halo around the moon. Telescopes would record this breathtaking sight, a delicate veil of dust reflecting sunlight in a way we've never seen before. For planetary scientists, this is a dream come true, a chance to witness a large-scale impact as it happens. Usually, they study craters billions of years after the fact. This time, they could capture every stage, from the initial collision to the aftermath. The data gathered would reshape our understanding of impacts, geology, and cosmic evolution. However, the event also exposes a critical weakness in our planetary defense systems. Humanity is good at tracking asteroids that orbit the Sun, but 3IATLAS comes from deep space, moving too fast and unpredictably for our current detection systems to handle. These interstellar visitors appear suddenly, giving us little to no warning. If one ever aimed for Earth, we might not have time to react. Our current tools, like kinetic impactors, are nearly useless against something moving at interstellar speed. By the time it's close enough to study, it's already unstoppable. That's why this event could be a turning point, a wake-up call to rethink how we protect our planet. We might need better early warning systems, global data networks, and new technologies powerful enough to deal with interstellar threats. As the potential impact draws near, telescopes worldwide are being realigned, satellites repositioned, and lunar probes repurposed to record every second. NASA, ESA, and private companies are all racing to prepare. SpaceX and Blue Origin could even join in, providing real-time observation from lunar orbit. It's not just a scientific effort, it's a global collaboration on a historic scale. This event will also reshape humanity's plans for the moon. Current missions aimed at mining, colonization, and exploration might need to change course. A new crater, fresh debris, and altered terrain will force engineers to rethink landing sites and navigation paths. At the same time, the impact zone might become a treasure trove rich in alien materials unlike anything we've seen before. Mining companies and researchers alike will rush to study and harvest whatever remains. But beyond science and technology, there's something deeper here, something almost spiritual. When that moment comes, billions of people will look up at the same sky, united in awe. For the first time in history, humanity could witness a direct encounter between worlds, a reminder that the universe is alive, unpredictable, and full of mystery. Thanks for watching another episode. While you're here, tap the video on your screen to explore more incredible cosmic stories.